mbaɗigol mbal konton na kote ke ka fale ko alla like sol nalla comment sol ka over appreciate le kal hakilo bulandi ka fale ko natale le kote ke alla programme bato min noyo stati noyo stadu mu programme molti mi yalan ko nga walanne ka dinna stalla kana jandum amon koliya komin ka fale nyamin drong atul jiber lal atul min ka like alka share alka comment alka na nyina fanan pejoto al subscribe wala bantul fanan makoyla ibajala ko nga jolom watu wat albe kala mo fololti mi yalan ko albe episode sotola o be ko la mbal tentula mbal jeyla ka fale ramadan karim ka fale drong kullu amin wantum bi khairi nga mabe nyinanna alama nga komi nga start ning bismillahir rahmanir rahim wala nyami nsa kumfaning alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wala mbadingol natale le kote ke komi ka fale nyami noyo star kana janga mankoliya ala safi comment box o kono drong lafta kari la ay na ndol fanam banna kata ko kelale fo kari nying ay nano nying noyo stato kana jang amang kolya so kal tentu kal jay ka tandal la ko bi fanan mu programme wolti mi yalon ko abe kala programme ni jontangolti insha Allah rabbi makura 1 year anniversary nga celebrate le be gambian kol be tentu lambe jayla ka foye ko alnumbara thank you so very much wulungo fana nga kere kere bunya nga di mollan mimu na mother of the night mi yalon ko eno ala kata ko bekele wo programme bato mbate konton na bake and sister of the night mother of the night mu na mba malti mi yalon ko ka fale ami fabre atelong ambassador to Guinea Bissau at this time so mbate konton na bake mba jeyla bake ka fay ko inimbara thank you so very much na sister of the night fana mba konton na bake mimmu madam Jaina Babati national president PPP mi anon ko ala katako bi kamankol be yajele so mbe dol tentula mbe jeyla bake mbe Omar Cissé fana tentula mba jeyla bake mimmu Gambia Transport Union ila presidano mba tentula mba jeyla bake mbe kinkoli mba tentula mba jeyla atelong father of the night kata governor West Coast region mba te fanan tentula mba jeyla be jeliba kuyate na jalingara ba jeliba kuyate mba te fanan tentula mba jeyla yo tenturo fanan ni jeyro mba sindela Talib Ahmed Ben Soudala baring afana yala buluma fengol natile mba tentula mba jeyla Talib thank you so very much Alaji Kamara mimu brother of the night mbate fanan tentula mba jeyla be tenturo ni jeyro fanan sindila na mola mi yalon ko ate is a brother to Ross mimu Sam Fati thank you so very much be tentula mbe jeyla bake o be kola mbenna mo fanan tentula mi yalon ko ate is part of us mimu Aissatou Daboti mi yalon ko kabrin lungol sita kabringa lungo muta fo jannim bina mba futala lungo to ate bala katakol beke kana pour ka lungo nyinje ay sa successful nyami alhamdulillah lungo nyi successful tala ay sa dabo be kontona be jayla bake ani bama ani Fatima dabo ani kadiwol bol be kontona uncle amna jeri wol bol be kontona uncle Alassane wol bol be kontona bari fanan lungo muta bakele comme ka fala ñun ñami non drong tentoro ni jero mba sindela brikama kol bela aning especially nako nyoto nyambay mba sindele bela team kitabu mal jorongol soto to be honest bantaba movie production ngatul fananjele ala katako ala barka bake thank you so very much Big Sam comedy thank you so very much Belgium kata JB comedy kata fo Daddy Boy wol be nata no jele mbal be tentula mbal jeyla ka fale ko mal joran soto thank you so very much nsa foko bi noyo star nga min kumandinang alkomi na at this time a jartale pour ayena comme ali afanya nyamin ko a nyanta kanale anda natale ning episode walanda fa kum fatal fon balano ko tonya bi nga min invite a jartale nga invite bari mbe yalu nako fimo min bita kan at this time mim ifam bonditi ate mu leading character tiji so mbal tentula mbal jeyla nta koku kela rek e mbaduna programme o konole ka fale ko alla like sol comment sol nka over appreciate le mbadi eni mbara nge kontom bake nge tento fanan e inata no yo sta nyami nsa fo thank you so very much nsa kita fanan tento nga jay bari coming sural ka fa nyami lu yëngu lu ko yëngala ko ëpp doole bari ñaaje mi ñimbeba kering atalom ñun sulata la wato wat nin ko mandro keta rek aka silo walande so mbatentu la mbaje la bake nen team kitabu mol be tentu la ke jay thank you so very much ini mbara nge konto ini mbara bake makura nkontanta bake ila ko ay njuso fa bake dam yena I don't even know how to express comment happiness when you I am so delighted and so happy to be here today on Know Your Star. Thank you. Thank you so very much. Mol hakilo bulandi bang bi makoro la guest muju monti itoni konton ante tomu aliou leti aliou tarawale yes ndo walti aliou tarawale thank you so very much aliou tarawale ala taradula ba ndol right now I'm steering Serakunda Nene around Kembuji after Birkama Kembuji like ika sare men sara Serakunda Nene be steering world. Serakunda Nene. Be steering world. That's very good. Quickly Aliou emol hakilo blandi fo Aliou atata school le bang fo dun namanta school fa tata majlis so leto bang ila school career fo dun Aliou hani sayanga ba karangol la bang ila school career demandim fa mo leje bang. Yeah, nte English school focused wala bake. Nga start nung kabafita primary school because nursery school do ndamanta. But nga start kabafita primary school then from there ntata St. Peter's St. Peter's Junior and Technical Senior Secondary School. Ntata Gambia High. That is where ngana was sit world, ngana grade 12 sit world. But still now Nyandaka school dollar start that is yet a college that is yet to start maybe around April March April June that I will start that so that is where still I'm on education for the kind yeah inshallah. That's very good. Ala barka bake kal hakilo bulande drong albe noyo stale jibe kan bi ngala stale nati non as Aliou ngamen nto programme kono abe gina fono la leno ikro tom tole comme Aliou la dindi ya yet still yake mun tole hanisa dindi wala mun do ndele wuluta dame o mu birkama misira wuluta wol ton kuluta wol ton fo saying amam me baake kablen sound Serakunda maybe now 3 or 4 years ngoke jel but ndenganna life bege birkama jene birkama misira hanisa ndalta jela baake janati da dame Serakunda ning very good dumalo Aliou la parents oldi ande la parents ol mu Abu Tarawale aning Awasekan yeah Abu Tarawale and Awasekan okay yet still coming sometimes kanyi ni karo kele but comment box ko do mi jele ka fa ko no this connection blah 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 yele kanyi ni ka the relationship between your parents how is the relationship between your parents? The bond between me and my parents it is very 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 strong. Na whole school time now dad le babe sponsor come for saying alhamdulillah my brother is taking over though but Cabral primary school for kana junior school and senior school better starting na dad was the one funding me and he's a very good friend of mine. Talking about parents
one of my best friends in this world is my mom. My mbama kay mbama muntir ma bal. Ni mi ente long ibalo na le mbama mi intene mbama be nyame, you know, intene mbama honey beef yeah, she's a very good close friend of mine. Na dalida ba kale. Ndeke taramba mala bungo kono le kafo kew buka si ba mala ran kan bal ka si ba. Nde nak ndemo si bal so de biga ndeke taramba ma yala fo around 12 yalla ne one, you know, fo ila main bungo nyi fo bunda yalla ndebe boy sans le to la ko das e kila bunda soro not knowing ko mbe bungo nyi kono ji yeah I'm always with my mom. Yeah, my mom.
Thank you so very much. Then since I follow coming mom and dad, then mom is your best friend?
Eba kuwa critical ni kan dewa ke. Eba kuwa critical dewa. Karena ngara so ko pa ma embaje. Again
yeah. So is it that is mom is your best friend so far? Oh. Among them, who is your best friend?
Among them, it is critical to choose because though Nina mom like a kacha jamake, but my dad really teaches me how to be a man. Though mama she is a good teacher, na friend lam, but atakan unkamin karangate bulu is about life. Mfama ankamin karango bulu is about manhood, how to be a man, how to make a decision, how to make your decisions. So I take lectures from both of them. So it is hard for Kafogo.
Okay, so among them, among them, I say among them, you have to choose. Among them, who is the best? Come. When in terms of friendship, closeness, you know, close to Jumala Baki.
Ha, Makura. Ika kumanyini kaja. Critical the bagere. Yeah, I think I would have to say my mom. Yeah, even though my dad is a very good close friend of mine, because my dad 17 kids lesson. But he's a friend to everybody. Until our dad moment, he's very friendly. Yeah, he always laugh and joke with us. Until that is how we until you know, yeah, peace and harmony. Until our dad 3 wives lesson. But you will never come to our house, because not that like he is a very good man. I'm moving killing this work on that's why but though my ablang bama tare best friend bambalal
no bola no bol buka fia that so you know. So it's very rare, you know. No, it's my dad. Yeah, but dads are heroes, you know.
Yeah, my dad is a very good
hero. Dads are always heroes, you know. Yeah, because they are always there for kids, you know.
So, even though your mother was carrying you for 9 months, your dad was taking care of you and your mom.
Exactly.
Yeah, at that time, you know.
Exactly.
That's our heroes. Yeah.
Thank you so very much. During sometimes primary 1, you know, for grade 6, then you graduated from primary level, going to junior level. Aliu mu dindin sifalti, dindin kunjari ngolombang, during ala primary level towards junior level. Imu dindin sifanyadli.
One thing in me that is stubbornness. Yeah, stubborn. Though I was young, I was not a bad student. I was an average student, but nka exam all pass no le, but kungoga over just kuno yeah, kungoga kajale. I always have that problem, with students and teachers at times. But
exactly. Coming imu average student all the. Coming, are you a low learner or a fast learner?
I am a fast learner. But fengofana ni mamu da bulletin fulola. Iseke jaonya na diamoga siara. Yeah. But thank God I graduated with 4 credits including English. Yeah, so
that's super.
I am trying to go to college in an insurance school. Yeah. Maybe probably next month or month after that.
That's very good. That's very good. Ngali amaile. Okay, yet still, atuli aji daminto, fali asafe pour ay nanang. Bare yankali ajale. I graduated with a very, good, how to call it, certificate. Because msawle fono. Because mo jamal graduate niye nyininka, if I follow ko excluding English and Maths. I have credit on this and this and this, excluding Maths and English. You understand? But at a form, English are dabijele. So, atuli aji damindo, fali ato safe pura na jang. Mo jamal kaje fundili. Ka foko mo furungol do ne kata woro kamol entertain. No, one thing. So this is simple logic. Yalong comme in theater of in general. Most of people buka keno.
No.
Most of people buka keno.
Yeah, most of people buka keno la.
Yeah.
Ni when you block walaikum salam.
Aja ini bara.
Okay. Take it again.
Thank you. So abole nyama. Aliou. Mbina woto lay no ngaje paparle no ko mo le alon ko Aliou ala education aba kanne and still now aba kanne and kana fodari na akara college bo yes still aba la do ko to le memo dramati so abole nyam so just ngana ko mo do manin trong during your school dates comme ka fala nyam drong no yo stalum albole jibe kan bi comme ka fala nyam star bi ngole natale in terms of education, in terms of acting, in terms of filming and editing, yalo mo to be honest you need to be universal yanda ka ko ni ke fon men ni fon je mi alon ko involved jele atara yano so abole nyama so Aliou comme rek benun dulal to mi alon ko after ite yalo nyaw ite la sport mo monalde
growing up I liked football. Football was my sport. Sign nak man interest wala bake because neskeri look at tight back but football was a very lovely game that I liked so much. Ka play num bake then ka follow num bake. That was a time for Misra United, ila teamo, they call me coach. And I'm from Molkan Commando title because when I was little, nkabula gal normal. So you didn't care so since then, you didn't care nkabula gal normal, ni kata dulalto, ni kata electric ground. I'm always there. So at that to a point that ninka say from gal ke la ball sol dinna wala ila ball dinna, yala nanke samba suokono ila console because nka futa filo the journal. So ibaja in the bottom school rek people come prepare kata filo then boys will enteraje and we have playing session kataraje so yala ngata ni coach yala after the training session ni mol sira I give them words of advice exactly. Since I was little so no tatale num sing up to that was around primary school. Nko kenon kara for box bar for. But I won't get a serial official for box bar as okay. Billy Alon go nkoto male. Exactly. Nkoto ma ke ba for problems at all because I have okay go. Ndela kuro ke le ko le ke itanyol. After ni wal finde ni wal man se refa bugal of kase. So yalende. So what fitting in the booty roll no wall sort of football la quota because then that trend ni mandia mbaga sena so for mo be see then mo be diam then ni coach all diam that they give me the flow then nga diam nga gal advice what I see gal after that was my sport folk sign like because coming out of a junior school, Mbama na schedule tight in the back from school, Dara, Yalane, tight so much football. But saying for warga. Yeah, but football is my best sport.
Yeah. Football is nice. Yalo kid tol bijele, kami ka fanyami, and fona konyo do ngasoro jele, fenke cambiaso. Okay. Yalo dol bijele mi yalanko. Some people are there. It will buka. Lafi coming ka football okay general but they want to be just coaches they they involved in football but they can lafi coach so we have talent here talent so sifa baby jan ya lo nyawnya bi jan so bole nyam so because yalo kids akawostole for indina man bula problème ko no comme dindia time e bula problème kono fo kana so kono fang aka kolé bulu fo wol ne soto tale ba
Yes, because ndela that yala nga fo 11 kids le soto 17 kids sorry I wala soto but until there was no time in the other house coming yafoko fama dingol da mala bije there was always people me alon ko be kulu kan so not that yala ne taking care of those people with different ages me alon ko la age gap dol bi jaka suti jam fanyola le ka dol so mil be 30 something dol be 5 dol be yala ne 10 ila age gap ka so he was a very strict man ndela that strict talent ndela that whatamo fitiro ni wo nge tara silo kan is always a problem for me after ndagara filo so ni tara filo nde buga se fanin diam so ni na rafa silo kan e gagné berol da there was this you know there was this coming karano pour comme dibindira mulo den yakara ya fay ko so adam singal lokile nga tambino bari
so da yakara
ya fay ko ma but so iko kel full confidence na dengem tambi but there are bad days always there are bad days
exactly
so lugo dol bije ngatalo ke karne ngana fo ngatamba ninko betambila hey, because I couldn't say jamo on singo baby no. Aka molle kumandi ndela dar ka karawaso akelele. Now I tell my younger brothers atul ya enjoy they do anything ndela dar buga kulli paroge sa. But what time debbo si fal kele kallele after ndedin yata ma fanan ka fan kele. Juso jaran ba after ka coming konyo gandal gal sila because mo jama ka ko ma ni John Cena la kamulo yeah so yalo dindi ata mo ne mo kilim fula bude mo be ka sila so ndela konyo ndela territory nak I was in control because the misira ani kaba fe that na boy so if you go there right now ye nyini ga ni mille dindi ake jo they will tell you because dindi ata mo hani ko ni ko hani talente no ni ko ni ndu na John Cena. So everybody mo be kam joyele. Nobody want to fight me because ikaja ko be hey ni mo John Cena de nga mol budile. So fight chol nga du wokono na mom e ka ata ka bulo problem si wala because wato bole ro kana
exactly
yeah we see pal na.
So do you still remember that the kids that coming primary school level in kids on min katano do you still remember them
yeah I do remember them. Way back in primary school, my best friend was Bakeba. Yeah, we were the closest friends. Bakeba Dambele. We started from grade 1. Grade 1 to grade 9 in the Nyokan. Because primary school, then there was this Arabic school that we went to. There was around grade 5. Then the second term. Ndenata taje nyabo kafo ada kabafita jere we were the first batches but kabrim that was grade 6 lendon taje then the following year multa St. Peter's so what time on kataje morning then afternoon at school but St. Peter's ka jamba so another disturb nata boje that guy was one of my best friends in primary school and still now he's my G I'm me back from Nabenda he's a G and also Molamin Kante that guy is my best friend. He's my best friend. Kabrin Dindia Wato, Mendanyolo, Kulurang. We did a lot of things together. I know Kabako in Itirma, Albugadia, Almankere, Dolmo phone, because it was just once fat sort of. Me play le bunda don ka wol sen ñokan tendi atamo so we are fighting rek ngaya ba ma bunda la gal na kini gande do mo atende tara bolo kundale okay I enter bolo kunda Abama is a very good one Jariatu Kamara that woman is my mom like the whole family hani sanzante nin dara misira nkala tele na best friend onye he's my world best friend Malamin Kande niente long you know him and if you know him you know me Ataka hanya atata to a point that come ni kirata la friend eka can defend friend.
Exactly.
In the friendship, no, our bond is more than just friendship. We are like family. Yeah, we can do anything to each other. We can say anything to each other. We can go anywhere with each other. Mbuka thing hide no you, but still, Hanisa and Mantara you come back, but we cannot hide anything from each other. We are always best friends.
That's good. That's good. So sometimes yalong hanika bi me dindia water ko hanisa me dinde oldi. But eka jure sono men fo o tay mo lay doyata nyindi.
Yeah.
Okay. Coming yalon salibol ka kele tala bonwol ka kele you know konyo fang konyo to kafol ka kejele comme dinding kafol for your experience.
Yeah, all experience because salibo what I want come malamin kane na tele kada no back nga start no before ni malamin for kande funga ndogoma na sister Lisa na tele gapo man jamfa back.
Okay.
Natal katanu salibola. Anisa and there is this man Bilal abe marché kono.
Okay.
Ka marché kono. But na nja anytime akan nyinga ngo mune doko wale Lisa because natal katanu ni salibola. But later on ni mula min kabri yalo kabrin ke ba kera fo kabrin kumol dara fasado yalo nde isepe ni musol bugana kol ke so ni bola gake ni mula min kandala kata natal kata fenkol to tale bonding yolu ka pare manek because that guy also he is a comedian.
Okay.
Malawen is a comedian so ataka ñu pare manel no kusifal nga dunno to le yalo ne ñaaral be mu eta da nga fa ñaari le fam Allahu rabbi la ilaha jaba ba kujul kajal ba marasim kadiyale ngoma atela so ndola tala bodi ndol ko la so mol kam follow because ni ndol follow you get people ndol mbe daw da rek mol ka over siale salibo fanan tol la kata salibo nak mo ka mo sen no because yala ni mo sen ko do buga siya so natal kata jama natal kata.
That's good. Coming to primary school to junior kata senior school because there are things that student abuka baiji coming yela fi mola ibuka leba approach nyal nyaming leta safo ina leta safe moy
hey makura era ka kuba baja daw la ilallah
ina leta safe moy la
ga jebula leta safe was history
ngana boy do zolale Lamin Sonko atele nyanta kamol na deno Lamin Sonko ate ota yaran tulla ate leta nyanta ka bon tulla ka foto ate ka
sabe ay leta sabe dole bari leta sabe yes or no I've received those more received in the way back in primary school.
Okay.
Primary school
so mola safi
molia sabe ngela sabe molia in primary school.
No.
Yeah, because
no primary school life.
After the para kasapero ken modo le because be that average because in my primary school mala I never stepped out of 5. Yeah, I think it was 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 5th. Yeah. I think grade 3 the malfang 5th sorry. Kababa dola 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So at times people will need my help in kasapero ke yalan. But don't be no nga kodo te bulo ko le apa boy do lo bisira apa mbele security la yeah ngal le resa be do ate am sa ko kodo na because model bi je e buka feature pour ka diam tepe do
no
yeah so they will some people will come to me pour ngema ko because there was this beautiful girl mola class me and content adult so people I will collect money from them so ko kata nya me ko do dino nya but jama buka diam
exactly
yeah
so mbariol ko ka fara jam to no yo staff be wolto bidung ngam mo bale soto jang ngam mo bale soto jang memo aluti tarawale ata easy la nala ni episode abe kala episode nyon tangol te atul mbe jibero alfon alone fi mo le bitaka mi alanko e fambondi kamra bi monde anin toste le every episode kanana so minimum subscribe follow jato janote hara ko team comedy team kitabo di comedian altale subscribe ye because nyim fimo aka bori woldo wolon I fambonditi so altale subscribe ye because fimo lo mialon ko ala kol be hitrim bakele fang ba bakele Aliou namra you are not yet married.
No, man fudu musode bule.
Musode bule?
No.
Ali ko musota bule.
No.
So are you dating?
Right now, no, I'm not dating. I'm a single guy.
Ibeji be kan.
It's a for yalla na jadi la degay. I'm a single guy.
Ibeji be kan de. Budni fidire tare karawas gala hajiti ji. No. Aliou Kate aba single.
Yeah.
Are you so ko be single?
I'm single and not searching. Yeah.
That's very good. So I can't single lady.
Yeah.
So problem tala. So Aliou, in life, sometimes life is topsy. Sometimes you go through something mi alanko aka kolya bakel. For you see far sotalebang. Coming, do you have stories mi alanko sometimes ka sata fang aka kolya bulde. Do you have them?
Yeah, I have stories like you are saying, but then asato buka kolembulo ko.
Thank you.
Abuka malu because what I was doing was I think the hardest in my life because my family also we are middle class though we are not rich but we are earning. My father was taking care of us alhamdulillah and so mbama kanung soda dada
okay.
Yeah, since before I was born I start. Yeah, so since then I think around grade 3 or grade 4 started doing a business on so that and aka city then mako abe lanka dedale nga mix nga adeda na fenkere nga korokoro nga city nga ta wa finyola so then there was a time no moto soro ka kolambul so nga tamale kabo misira birkama misira fo bafuloto yeah nga tam but mostly kana wo time nga moto soro but lately kabring cool business was start ga grow ba family start ga sia so nka fon ko ma yata dandang al londi silo kam because bafulo to motol faari ngol kata so nte ngata gara soto nga moto ta den nate na so that is how I was doing ndingo kele kabin na grade 3 for Jira school up to grade 12 but at some point yalla na ngata fon ko saite then I will be the only one going to the market and nga supply okay it was every Sunday han be from mina kan janning na mer ndindo bendan ya mbana fi atamu nak na merol tinu bafulo na kiliano I had very good customers mi dalonko After can meet him family thing from people like Hadi, there no Dabo, yeah. I had very good people in Buffalo. Me and Ninkombe for that. They told Banafola. But yeah, that was the business I was doing with my mom. I helped my mom for graduate. I was never ashamed of it. I can every time. Mbenu still a lot kunda, but every weekend, nkabalati kunda langana birkama jang. Because na senior school Gambia High was far from home, so stayed a lot of kunda. But ngabalati kunda langana so kono ngamba mahama ko enka safno nya samba. Yalan nga awa fire then nana. I think that was the hardest. Yeah.
So do you have any story coming near Mirala at this time? Coming, you feel comfortable and happy. I
think that would be that story because helping my mom cool. As I said, my mother being my best friend.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
aka makamole lavande andu aka arjana nyino lengte aka because yalla ne hani kurano fo ya fala comme alal wululal but so albama
exactly.
Yeah, and that is the best. That's my best verse in Quran. But my mom nimba mako ga abuka gende fe ko mi like mbagn ke kan ba maluring wala mbake kan just mal. But when I do it freely, open-minded. This is the story, you know. When I always, you know, think about it, I feel like, yeah, I'm good. I love my mom and I love helping her. So I'm not going to work over content and
Very good. Very good. Thank you so very much. Madingol coming ka fale ñun ñamen drom no yo stalom bi nga aliou le invite jang coming ka fale ñamen drom aliou ngana programme wala improper bari mun ye safero ke pour yenana ye jedulal wala ne ko ye safero ke pour yenana bada kuma telephone ya long aliou jarta ni daminto la ani sain dinnolom bara kata kol min ke fobiya fotata daminto a jartal le jiber lal fana yolong mune inspire kadun theater
theater, I think I would say Kitabu Fati. Kitabu Fati was the one who inspired me. Though I started theater at a very early age, Kabirina Primary School, you know, Esture Kabafita School, he knows me. Atal ba mol coordinate kanu drama. Inte primary, inte Kabrin den nga start ka drama ke. I went to junior school, nga drama, funding Kitabu Mita, and yeah, he's the guy that inspired me to do more. Yeah.
So that was when did you start?
With Kitabu?
Yeah, with Kitabu, yeah.
Kitabu, I started at grade 9. Grade 9, yeah. Not grade 9 in Kitabu Mita. Yeah, we met on the street like this. Come, I was, you know, St. Peter's Nindol Jita, because of Live Dano, Nkatamala Kabo St. Peter's, Nkatafa NTC. NTC, Nkata Live Dano. So there was this day, Adam Barrow was passing and traffic blocked, traffic jammed. So, Mano Tema Jen, Dolba Tamaka no world. Because one wheel bitaka. So, Dolba Tamaka world, I was there with my friends. I can remember I was with Bakari Jeta, yes. Ibrahim Barrow and Aisha, these girls, I forgot her surname, Aisha Mbala, but I know you know it. Aisha, Aisha Condola, not need to live in Siloka, we were chatting yelling. So I saw Kitabu. That was my first time of seeing Kitabu Fati face to face, you know. So I was so surprised. I'm drive car. So so the accents I was making him laugh, you know. He saw something in me though. So I am commanding. Ata fonga fangela still akata buko ke koma I mo commanding ka fe nanambata. But he called me akunyoko nanambata. Then ngala nambata. Kabringa kitabla nambata. Then tada suokona. I told my mom, I can remember back then I was having Itel A14. You can imagine how slow it was. Kabri janenda ko upon foga kirabla number fongata. I relate morobin an kijo because ni be sular ngal tamu minala slowness o be kana.
Exactly.
So ndanga malawol nyama jenda kana pass ko do bonni fonga kirabla number ta kula mamme. But eventually nara namata then aninde diam da anina mom diam.
Okay.
So what time will another start kata rehearsal? No like mamme because kabinga rehearsal, but rehearsal kono reka mamme mbulata sunkaro kono. Then sunkaro we started. I think that was around 2016, 17.
2016, 17. But 2016, 17. Okay. Working with Kitabu, coming Nambal Tata, F15 Tata, you know, rehearsal start. You know, any episode follow. Yeah, remember that still?
Yeah. I can still remember. That was Sunkaro Karanta. Then it was in Team Kitabu. Then Team Kitabu was not founded yet. It was I acted for Fandema.
Fandema, exactly, yeah.
Fandema Multimedia. Okay. Kitabu in December. Because what time will rehearsal became. So Ntata Nkabe can Kitabu. Yeah, I can still remember my first episode. It was. I was a child. They called me Sedina in that movie. My father was Korka. I forgot my mother's name though. But my first episode was with my mom. Ngatara Wanyo Kono. She was doing about Diamo Layal which were not appropriate. So I was advising her. Yeah, that was my first episode. I can't remember.
So coming down 2016, first half of 2025. Yalong. Nsafo is how many years now? It roughly, is it 10 years or more than that?
10 years.
or 9 years?
Then I must have made a mistake because maybe I spent around 5 years. As I can remember. Yeah, because I don't think 2016. No. It wasn't there was a mistake because I can remember 2016 and Carrifier. I can still remember those pictures. No, it wasn't then. Because Team Grab, I spent like 5 years. Five or
Exactly.
6 years.
Exactly.
Yeah. It wasn't then. Maybe around 2019, 2020.
Exactly.
2019, 2020.
2020.
Yeah, that was a mistake.
The COVID time. Yeah, exactly. COVID time.
COVID time.
Exactly. What time? So, which one in time tema? Safa komi Sanjilulu. Musa Haimoko Sanjilulu.
Yeah.
You know. So, in the first episode, kada for down for ila second episode for in kitabu fongo coming it fandema botaji say kitabu in proper yes sinol men soto je yewol be fenkala comme sin folol mi yalon ko yewol soto je
in Team Kitabu. Yeah, I can remember them. The first fengo in Team Kitabu ngame soto Ofana, it was a Ramadan movie. After that Ramadan, I think it was the following Ramadan. Yeah, the following Ramadan nga scene nga episode also. Wo nga kitabla tara sireng aning lamin jimbo. Wo shooting. Nga tara sire ba kajala den nga nying mani kumo fo e katana komi fengo fenne nata imamo ya putara. Yeah, I can remember that was my first episode. Since Team Kitabu was founded, that was my first episode with Team Kitabu. Yeah, and there's this thing that I forgot to say about not first episode of Jana Fandema. When they casted me, because I was in it with my mom. So ma explained na daddy. So I started to a point that before you can screen or you you can go any ela parents so like a go nemba ma diam dara but see it's okay you can farmer don't go no not enough. So Kiraw that didn't sit right with him. So I could find my daddy then he called my dad. My dad gave him a big hard time, you know. Daddy hard time with the dad contacted. After at that point, I felt so disappointed, because madam I was already going to show up, on the screen, and they called my dad. He's telling them, "Hey, abuka taje, because my dad education abuka fair one. Even way back, nila for dad tell him about school, he will give you. So education is something that he was highlighting. Then they made him understand that ntolu jang muka mo bani karon, because here is a school itself.
Definitely, yeah, so, of course.
So that was how in I could manage for another song Galma. Then he let me act. From that so yeah, and that was the challenge because that education is his problem. I have a sister Ibn Mariama Tarawale. I can find this scene so long from Saturday.
Okay.
But niya jala talbuka siano because I can have school Monday to Friday. So ndabuga batuno. So it's very rare for me shooting on weekends and maybe leave over no time on Kasambano I seen dan but because not that is not that guy.
Very good. Very good. Recently nga fimo jele mi alon ko ifombandilon coming from jang. Mi alon ko you are the leading character ifombondi. Because fimo lo mi alon ko ngamra fimo dama ato dama yate ya describe.
Yeah.
Comme min nyenta katraji. Working with Kitabu for 5 good years, coming to this years, I take a leading character. How does it goes with you?
Yeah, at first I didn't really know why Kitabu chose me because he's an open person. Intena dalita bakere then Kitabu over dalita le. So mbija kunyako na film wala safe. Okay. But at first, I just said, okay. I didn't know why Kitabu chose me. You know, it gave me time, you know, Kamira Nwakuola. I couldn't find the answer at that time. Malong me at I choose no. But always when he's talking, I can't afford to go. Not a few months after. I can't learn. Not a few months after. The right person comes to him straight. At a calendar who member the plus of Fanola. So yeah, he said that the first time I found the I just kept quiet for start to come team Kitabu from coming Kitabu famous Ali will be the main character. Yeah, now time all the phone starter from Bama. So yeah, because Mafo for cabin film. Hannes from Hanaka bring us with Mafo Mojama coming the main character because yeah, no guy, don't forget. So, but when we went into acting, when we reached Sarepate, that is the place we acted. If I'm Bondi, the people were very good. Sarepate Molo. But Ika Muele, Ala Barakawake, they were very good people and welcoming Yalun. Wolu and in Konkunding, that is where we stayed. We stayed in Konkunding and we acted at Sarepate. Manja for back in So, but when we reach, like when I shoot my scenes, when I stand in front of camera and I'm acting, like the emotions they were real. Exactly. It wasn't like I was faking it. It was real. I was angry deep down in me. Ning kamfa findita nka kamfa ning kontano findita nka konta like. When I'm acting, I feel that jail funga ngajako na isturu Kirab had his reasons of choosing me. Because when I'm not I said I go agency no so the ibeta drawing you have a bam ten. So the rest is in your hands. So the way nka portray nyame
exactly.
Sino fanga kona I feel ne dega Kitab has choose the right person. Yeah. After phone ka for ngata kan Mbappe akka amanganta da marka enjo afon ka tara fokan ko batonya ngalo namuna nangenge ken fi
no hold on to nyati no that's very good because fimo mi alanko you know at this time now model la nyajuel fon jolonkan yeah fimo mi alanko to be honest ete jiberla mi alanko iman subscribe flow Team Kitabu the comedians tie subscribe you because fimolo mi yalanko every Monday lom and Thursday lom aka findi so alta ale subscribe ale na ale nyim fimo njibe okay coming to the name because name ying aka reflect le always and denkilo fonto coming nimel ka fimo njibe denkilo fonto you know name ying from exactly yeah name ying ka reflect je bakele you know so coming toning you know how do you work with the name Yiramba?
Yeah, because you know when Kitabu gave me the character of Yiramba, he told me at first I couldn't it was hard for me to at first it was hard for me purka toning kramno because so he told me your name is Yiramba not record audio but the character of Yiramba is somebody me alonko atatambira ndela ndesake janya Yiramba is way more than me so to keep up to that you know it's not easy because ndema alom kumpani dia fo be nyadil dama bulba fo be bara wonyoto so giving me that character it was challenging though but I dealt with it alhamdulillah because ning toning I embrace it kabrin Kitabu kunko ita tomi Yiramba so ninda be fimo kono I don't see Aliu in acting I see Yiramba I see somebody me alonko akon fanuta bakel hanatar Aliu ko man fan but Yiramba is a character that you know he's a very very big character and he is somebody me alonko I longo ke bake sa te mul jikita la bakel so that is why Yiramba ko na baka easy though but alhamdulillah I dealt with it Yiramba kai he's a very nice character. I wish I could be him though.
No, definitely. No, definitely. I need to perform in KGB. Until sometimes emotionally. Definitely. comme ni yiramba fon fintita character dol ka fintita but ni yiramba fon fintita comme fi mo kam to ko aka falim mulin kele fo sate fo dinkel kata fo sate musol dol ka fo ko mbado ngatam fan karafa yirambala ha ko ngoje fi mo kono le no mbang ata fa di musolo ba ko ka ko hey ya nyamindo de
aga garam fan karafa
kata fo karafa yirambala so mo ba expect ko fi mo nyi nyato ku jamal lebe nyato yiramba you know kujama level fudur yiramba kono because yalo yiramba mo molati mi ko do dindingolem bare dindo mi made ay longo ke bagale ando ay kebal buñale because imala relationship with Numo exactly
he had a very good relationship with Numo mi alanko sate alpha sate mo kendo londo but more value back
exactly
because a single mutatale but Yiramba didn't see him because aka fenne je min tambita Numola o simuto damal and he's a character mi alongo tinyaro mandiya so wala na kindendi na mul ibe dawoda Yiramba always interfere out of nowhere nin kindendi nyol bela ko la itolkatu Yiramba jara Yiramba mo character ti ala cool nak abe mol gena surprise la because ala cool be tambila nyinda mate nyin safe wurol no siba Yiramba ala cool be tambila
that's very good
bi
model yeah exactly
bi Yiramba la bimbe drop like you just all go and watch it albaja la Yiramba be mingala bi
exactly you are right so coming ka fale nyamen drong no yo stalom bi nga Yiramba le natale say Aliou Bota jele bi nga Yiramba le natale so fimolo mi yalanko niatra ko imaji be follow ite memban jibe kan ta team kitabu di comedian you subscribe every Monday and Thursday like a fintindi so fimolo mi yalanko is very interesting fimolo so alta ale subscribe you know pour alka fimo nyen jibe you know Yiramba what is your favorite food?
My favorite food
comme benekino mbam fo nyankata mbam fo mbam
makura nte bu chop salty that is a problem so nte near for abela ka diende the only thing I don't like is kucha bol ka biya ba ka nte ka kabrin dinde ma remember ngado so kucha ka do not disturb me because nte no kunyata kirabu golo fo mole agonde an ebeni sukuro ni adinde la mbado mo dolal because nte kay I can eat anything. I don't have a favorite food. I like food is life. I like food, but I don't have a choice.
That's good. Mbari will come in ka fala nyamem trong. Ngamera natak program la kum fadulale baring yimu episode de melon ko comme nga fala nu nyamem trong. Ino ni nga start fa kum fadula balo nako tonya ngami invite a jartale pour nga invite nang you know working with Kitabu for 5 good years ni be Kitabu describe la iba describe la nyadi
Bakura I think if ning ayatara nu Shakespeare bija I think he would find another word to give to Kitabu because Kitabu is somebody me alango he has ala character nyim fonga is to a point that nte bukalo mbe me follow ya because one he is a leader two akungo terri abatele akungo Kitabu kungo kana mimbije like can you imagine a movie going on with a movie for 2 or 3 years me alonko ima script ima fensafe hani ni ifam bondi ndol tata nyin la fon nata nobody was given a single paper moti jemi alonko e scribble diale ko nyene a read follow janni bita
janni grass on stage
kabrin dol fodara nyin can you imagine such a big movie like ifam bondi kabrin dol fodara mo student kala for like 3 or 4 days lundo lo ngaja be sira ka aka fa fayego ha alko ndela buko nte nga safero fonkela kabrin nata jam mam buko e that and we were shooting for 5 good days akata mala buko akata mam kabrana da mar redil fonka comme amaji be fon since juma wala be keka wala man rakeka he was just doing it off here Kitabu somewhere me anko ala ya so baake okay voice in him ala ya so and he is a true definition of a leader ay nyaton kaya no bakere manat nan kaya nyaton kaya no le comme iko nka nyanta kula tekitije so kitabu ala timo kono ako do tamani no je bakele you know anda manke moti mi anko a gridita in kitabu mu moti mi anko a hadumeta num den num hani nyin tamakul ni wo kusifal he would always be ahead hani in every film la he would want to be you know the main of the main character in the movie but
exactly.
Kirab is somebody me anko he is not biased and I come acting this is my friend, this is my brother, this is my sister. At a momo yeminno akeke no wall.
Very good.
That is why when you look at Tim Kitabu's movie, mobe kafala go, hey, billahi, alla kari ala partner, no atola je for mobe ala partner. Because min keta momo ye no Kitabu keke no wall. You know, that is something like one thing for me, science and thing. Ni yente ke nyambila plaso. Nde sa fight now, I cannot reach nyam.
No. Yeah.
But niata fana kente la place abe difficult la prata fana ya keep up with me
exactly
because na character man clear so kitabu ko be define no moto de and yalo ne kitabu he is a very good person me alonko ala in humanity fo ani multi mola aka dan ke je ba kele kitabu mo kendo ndena na maji kitabu ya King Kitabu I kuma jawo from mama. I cannot remember him beating somebody from. Mbukaji.
Listen.
Amanke director mi alanko nima hey ka wumul ka wasival no Kitabu doesn't do that. Kitabu doesn't do that. Abuka mol batandi abuka no he's one of a kind. Kitabu kai alhamdulillah. Mo kende balam because yalla no momi nte I cannot be more nte ma jora so because Kida picked me up from the street and they jetted na yalla nak ko nana nga do bogi and still I'm working with him and Kida na ma tan tele comme go hey ado man tangi ta bondi silo Kida kan de mutala ka fon because atata to a point that kiskis phone tata deng
you see
yeah na dental bari mbari ndongo la buka so ninga mbari ndongo always na ke so ka woldi wala ka keda problem won
okay
ninga ko mbari ndongo ne ka fuga hey ni man da hani fenna yeah but Alan
it's true man
he is a very good person kende wala
to jala kay thank you so very much Jiramba what's your last word mba commencer la da men beta follow fo tentula mbeje la because mbe kitabu fati tentula mbaje la atoka nta nse tentuno jam fo next year nta nte jo soto nola kitabu you are a very good person and ita fanan what you are doing ibe along comme atol mu banku doku lalle because kamol sindino suokono kamol fatandino ñi modern film jibe la mi yalon ko abeka ke ñi nasti ko le mi ango bi itata sino la ini dingo ya jibe no wala ini la brodal ya jibe no bari ntola film mol fintata dawda wala atolla video fintata youtube to dawda mol casino le with your whole family albe casino le ali ya jibe mona wote because alka dino ni adole soje alka muslima yala tambindi je atol be mu banko lokula mbangole thank you so much and the whole Gambia everybody that is viewing momo bentol jibe kanyin tembedal mbafale ko alnimbara katun niaje nyim video katano niaje tol bi ibafala ko makura wala ibafala ko yiramba nyim mola sabu atol kan jibe silo youtube odate ala baraka bake mbal tentula mbal jeyla na fansol be dawda mbal tentula mbal jeyla Tim Kitabu fansol be dawda mbal tentula mbal jeyla yiramba fansol be dawda mbal tentula mbal jeyla ndekay mam feso do be mi fala fo contano dal because yalla ndena na ma expect ko mo fotana janna film though when I was starting movie ndeba ke kan rek just for fun I was pleasing me but ndena na ma expect ko min ko mo fotala silo kan ne fo mul kan stop holan kata dulal to mo bega findi nang they come to see me hey jumalendi ndem nana mo si wa expect so wala atna hani bi ne ngam fanja kono mbuka afenkeno comme mbuga lof ka amuta kubati dal so ngaje comme yalla na nyinkay nyimmol mel kan celebrate
wol len take nyenti so at a second I will never turn my back on them. Wherever you see me, if you call me ni aje me dankura kota lonko mamwele yalene. So I cannot be more grateful to them yalene. Atol mu katala balle to jiber lal mbafulal be ala baraka. You know, be na family content now. My mom and my dad, they are supporting me every time. They are watching my videos, you know, commenting. They always, you know, cheer me up at home. Na brother soul, my family, everybody, you know, is supporting me. You know, my friends, you know, not senior school friends, so I didn't get to talk about them, but they were very good friends, you know. Science and then every time they will be asking like my episodes, and when they drop in people like Yusuf Bayo, you know, Mustafa Jallo, Mohamed Gando. I have a lot of friends. They are very good friends of mine.
Thank you so very much. Iko ala dindin name for me John Cena.
John Cena, yeah.
Alfred John Cena la John Cena. Sa tamila John Cena ya sa Yiramba.
Sa Yiramba
sa Yiramba be kering.
Sa mama Yiramba wa.
Yiramba. Kala Yiramba ba kula. Sa wula nyawa. So thank you so very much Yiramba.
Thank you so much.
Nge tentu nge jayi ka fe ko inimbara. Thank you so very much. Ka kitab tentu ka jayi kan na cameramano tentu malang fanamu director team but tentu lamba jayi la bake with the whole team, you know, Bantaba movie production be tentu la ke jayi ka fale ko ala barka bake bi nga nyenne sotale Yiramba live in Noyo Star ala barka. Thank you so very much. Thank you.